Oh, there it is. Whoop. Got the giant sequoia here. Ugh. Damn, look at this beast. Ugh. Wow. Big boy. Oh, there it is. How did I miss that? Oh, that's a buried thrush. This really is a nice view. I'm not exactly sure what the lookout's of, like this billion-dollar homes up on the hill, or this down here. This is like pretty neat though, all things considered. Oh, this is the turtle pond. I was wanting to check that out. I think I've explored all the trails I feel like exploring today. So I'm gonna just head back and edit this video and whatnot, and hopefully upload it today if I have time.